Okay, so it is this one's, yeah, good yawn. This one's first birthday. Yeah, happy birthday. How do you feel about being one? Okay, so we have a couple things planned for today. He is going to go to the dog park. Yeah, we're gonna go to the dog park. And we are gonna go to the pet store and let him pick out a toy and some treats. How's that sound, bud? It sounds good? Okay. Take it. All right, bye. Easy, Storm. Easy. I know, you're excited, I know. Hello. Storm, no. Good boy. Now. Storm. Go, get it! Hey. Storm, get it! No, don't fall on it. Get it. Get it! Good boy! Okay, I think we're good now. Okay. So we just got back. Storm, come. Come. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. All right. So we just got back from our walk in the park. Yeah. He just ran in the yard a little bit. And the pet store. So we're going to go show you what we got. First up are these organic apple treats. He loves apples, so yeah, you like those. So I thought this would be a safe bet. Next, come here, sir. Oh yeah, I know. You want the, I know you want the. Get out of the bag. Next are these bison baked potato and carrot treats. Right here. So we got 2 bags of treats, and because it was his birthday, they were so kind enough to give us some free treats. So we got 2 cow ears and 4 giant cookies. They're just like the size of my palm. They're massive. Hi, Rocky. Are you helping? No, you can get one later. Yeah, you can get one too. No, you can get one later. This is Rocky. This is my pet dog, Rocky. Say hi, buddy. No, you can both get them later. Yeah. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add 3/4 cup flour. If I can get the 3/4 cup flour. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Wait, no, that's 1/4. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. That's not enough. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. One egg. About 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Peanut butter everywhere. Okay. Cut. And we're back. Okay. Now, 1 pack of applesauce. Okay. Open. Okay. 1 pack applesauce. Two tablespoons oil. I should have thought this out. Hey, back again. Bloop. And then 2 tablespoons of honey. I will be right back. I forgot to grab the honey. Come on. Film me adding the honey, but it's in there. We're gonna mix this. And so it should be pretty thick. And we're gonna take it over to our pans. We're gonna grease them. It should look like this. Oven is ready. Stick it in. Put it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Like a spoon. On baking, remove and let cool. Once cooled, take your whipped cream and frost a cake. Frosted, decorate however you like. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Okay, I'll take it off. Happy birthday, dear Storm. Happy birthday to you.